Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how students can use AI to study smarter. Now, AI tools can help with understanding the difficult topics, organizing the study notes, and preparing for the exams more efficiently. So let's take a look at some of the useful study tips and tools powered by AI. Now, first of all, you can use AI to summarize study material. If you have long chapters or articles to read, you can ask AI assistants to summarize the key points. You can use ChatGPT for this regard. This is going to help you quickly understand the main ideas without spending hours going through every single page. Another helpful method is getting explanations for the difficult topic. Now, if you are stuck on a concept in math, science, or any of the subjects, AI can explain it in simpler terms or give step-by-step explanations. This makes learning faster and easier. Students can also use AI to generate practice questions. Instead of only reading notes, you can ask AI to create the quizzes or practice tests based on your study material. Testing yourself regularly helps improve memory and exam preparation. AI tools can also turn the messy notes into the structured outlines, summaries, and flashcards. So this makes revision very easier when exams time come. Now, AI can also help with writing assignments. Students can use it to brainstorm the ideas, create the outlines for essays, and improve the grammar and the clarity in their writing. Finally, AI is great for study planning. You can ask AI to create a study schedule based on your subjects, deadlines, and the available time. This helps you stay organized and avoid any last minute stress. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.